What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am just doing a single take video, which I've never done before, which I think will be kind of fun. That way I won't have to edit it, so that I can just get this uploaded like within half an hour, so it's super nice and easy because I'm busy with school and I've missed the last couple uploads. But yeah, I just got back from Safeway and I thought I'd show you what I got. I've been eating super healthy lately and I just love how it makes me feel, and I've been working out too. My boyfriend's a personal trainer, and so he has like all these great workout plans for me, and I'm just gonna show you what I got. It's really weird like doing this in one take, because usually I like pause and take my time, but like I gotta go for it. Just so you know, eating healthy is not cheap, just to warn you, but it does really make you feel good. If you think about it, like, it's what you're putting into your body. You're essentially paying for like your health, and I think that's like the #1 thing you should pay for, so I think it's worth it. So first of all, I got an avocado, then I got a bunch of just like full carrots, because I always got mini carrots, but then I finally got like a big carrot, and it's just like a really fun snack. You just have like 1 or 2 carrots and it's like really easy. They're so good too. I got some red bell peppers for my vegetables because I hate vegetables. I'm very picky, or I need them cooked a certain way, and peppers are just good. I like them just cooked nice and easily. Same with carrots. But like green vegetables like broccoli, asparagus, I just can't do them. I'm pretty picky. I got a natural no stir creamy peanut butter, and these natural ones, the only ingredient is peanuts and then 2% or less of vegetable monoglycerides from palm oil and salt. So this is way better from normal peanut butter, and the reason I got this one, which is like an extra $1 than the other kind of natural one, is that it's a no stir. And it's because, you know how with healthier peanut butter the oil separates, and that drives me crazy. It takes so long and it's messy and the bottom's super dry, so that is worth it to get the no stir kind. And then for dinner I got salmon, and I've been having salmon for dinner like every night. I have these frozen salmon burger patties, which are super easy. It's like a 10-minute dinner, and I'm almost out of those, so I figured I'd get some real salmon, but that's probably enough for like 2, I'll probably stretch it to 3 meals. And then for a healthy carb, I'm going with this Suddenly pasta salad, which I've never tried before. It looks super good. It's like a pasta with red peppers and seasoning. So basically you just like boil it and it's just like done, which is really nice. So I'm planning on mixing this with chicken for my lunches. Let me show you the chicken that I got, because cooking chicken is such a hassle in a tiny apartment with no counter space, because you know you have to like bleach the you have to bleach the board and just be super careful about everything, and if you don't do that, then germs are everywhere and it's really disgusting and bad for you. Chicken's like the worst for that. So I bought these grilled chicken breast strips. They were 2 for $5, which I think is a good deal because there's 2 servings in each. So I think 4 meals of chicken for $5. I think that's a really good deal. Plus, I don't have to deal with the hassle of cooking them. I might just add a little seasoning or something, but that with this will be really good, I think. And then for breakfast, I got these Oikos 000 Greek yogurts, and this is like my newfound holy grail, because yogurts are really good for breakfast with the, you know, healthy proteins and no fats, and yeah, that's about it. But you know, Greek yogurt's very good for you. But for me, the problem is almost all Greek yogurt have high sugar, and I'm personally like addicted to sugar. I might make a video just talking through what I eat in a day and my new like, not diet plan, but meal plan, and how I'm getting off of my addiction to sugar, because like it's actually a drug, and I was having like withdrawal. Like I was kind of like angry, but I'm working on it. I'm right now having no sugar days like every other day, which is like really good. I said no to a free donut today. I was really impressed with myself. But anyways, the nice thing about this yogurt is that there's like no sugar. It's only 6 grams of sugar, and it's from stevia leaf extract. And so yeah, this is a really good brand, and it's yummy too. Usually I cannot eat plain Greek yogurt, I need stuff in it, but this one's actually really sweet and good. But I will still put berries in it. I got raspberries because I think they're starting to go out of season, so they're pretty cheap. It was $5 for this whole thing, when blackberries or blueberries is like $6 or $7 for like one of these sizes. So yeah, that's all I got for this week. It wasn't like a giant haul, but like I normally go in about this size of stuff, you know, just what I need, because I'm usually not here on the weekends, so this is just enough to get me through the week. And I also have some frozen, oh, I forgot one thing. Oh my god, so frozen meals are never that good. Sometimes they're kind of gross, and I just would try some and end up throwing it away. But I finally found a yummy, healthy frozen meal. It's this Healthy Choice Power Bowl. It has shiitake chicken, mushrooms, well, the shiitake is the mushroom part, vegetables served on top of brown and red rice, red quinoa, and black barley with a sesame soy vinaigrette. It shows you on the back everything that's inside. And what I like is that it's a compostable bowl, and I'm like a super environmental nerd, so that makes me happy. And there's only 3 grams of added sugar, which is like the main thing I'm focusing on, is lowering sugar. And then I'll just tell you really quick what I do, how I'm eating. So for breakfast, I'm having high carb with a protein and fruit. For lunch, I'm having a tiny bit of carbs with chicken and vegetables, and then for dinner, I'm having salmon and vegetables. And then if I need a snack, it's usually like almonds or prunes, and I'm overall trying to reduce sugar. But yeah, that's my general meal plan right now. Plus, one thing that like I've always done, which is like just a nice healthy habit that I happen to do, is that I'm always drinking water. I'm not a soda person, not an iced tea person. I just drink water all day long. It's like a habit. It's always by my side, and I don't even notice, like my water's right there. So yeah guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Make someone smile, and I'll see you guys next time.